degrees of success. We run a sort of mentorship program where we take students from university out into the schools to sort of guide them through the project, because none of the students have done anything like this before. They've never experienced a project that lasts an entire year, and so they just need some sort of general advice. We're not Lego, we're not Robot Wars. I think we're better than both of these things because we encourage more mechanical innovation than Lego does, and you can use anything to build your robot, not just a preset number of plastic blocks. Robot Wars, yeah, it's fun, but there isn't as much space for like doing interesting things, and it's really sad to see a robot destroyed if you've been working on it for a year. Autonomy. All of the robots involved are autonomous. They're not remote control like Robot Wars. So yeah, that's a major difference between us and them. All of the software development that students do is in Python. They're doing a web interface which we hacked together. Yeah, so everyone seems to enjoy it. And I encourage you to come and get involved. Possibly start some sort of student robotics situation in your own area. Our website is there, and my email address is there. I'm Rob Spanton. Email that. Thank you.
Well, thank you. And another talk. Hi. Please walk over there and start doing it, and I'll come stand right next to you. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Robert.
Hi, Robert. And what are you going to talk about?
Let's see if I get this on the screen. I got inspired by one of the other lightning talkers the other day that actually said that contact me, I'm from the Netherlands Foundation, something, and you could get money for your cool project. And,
okay, that sounds really good. You just continue to make it work?
I hope so.
Yes, okay, almost there. So it's about funding, if I'm correct?
Yes.
Okay. We can also do it on a stick and technique. It comes in so handy. Okay. Well, can you talk and work at the same time?
Yeah, at least I could try to talk. Anyway, I'm at the board at something called the IAS, the Internet Foundation, Internet Infrastructure Foundation. And it's a non-for-profit organization in Sweden that runs a .se. And what they do is that they get a lot of money for people buying domain names, but they also...
I will interrupt you. I'm very sorry for that. Let's copy the slides over. And
but it's not a slide, it's just an URL from a web page.
Okay, so
if we just could get the internet working.
Bist du online damit?
Ja. Ich denke schon. Yeah.
But it's not that one, is it?
It is that. No,
is it
no.
No,
it's not. That one. So anyway, so what they actually do is, since it's a non-for-profit organization, you get a lot of money in, but they also try to spend it on good things. So they actually have this internet fund. And anyone really could apply for it for different projects. So if you have any cool projects that you want to do, it's content and it's both like hacking things and so on. I know, for example, Lars has got it for the project Runeberg and other things. So if there is any... So since I got inspired by this other guy that said that you could go to the Netherlands for that to get money, this is another option if you don't get money there.
Yes, but internet is too slow. Stop doing this. I need the internet now.
Yeah, and if we don't get the address up there, you could just contact me and give me a card or something like that, and I could get back to you to, yeah, use that address. And it's the English version of it. And actually, there's a period now, they give out money twice a year, and for the spring, they're starting at the 11th of January, you could standing in your applying for the money, and it will be until the end of March, and you will get money from somewhere in the middle of the summer. So
I wrote it correct?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know. So internet is too slow.
Yeah. But anyway, if anyone is interested, just write down that URL.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Okay, anyone else? Anyone something who wants to ask something, tell something, offer something? Please stand up.
Okay, I have another really quick talk brewing, but I need more time. Can I?
More time, but okay, you have 3 more minutes. Over there, I saw.
The minutes are going now, so anyone here?
Just
Right.
2 sleeping places for tonight, I offer. If someone has no place yet to sleep tonight, he can sleep at me. 2 places.
Thank you.
So I guess we shall be meeting up. I hope very much that we are meeting tonight at the party at the sea base. And, you know, some people, as it happened, stayed longer some years ago, and they fall asleep, kind of. So if you see a sleeping person there, please talk to him, maybe take him home. So kind of adopt a geek scheme here, right? Oh, not now, sorry. Anyway, the topic this year was Here Be Dragons, and I've seen a few of you sketching out with crayons a few dragons at the wall outside, but I haven't really seen many dragons yet, so I dug up this thing here, at least show a dragon. But I think it's a pity that we didn't do so many things about the motto this year. Now, I don't know about the next year's motto, but if it sounds cool to you, please think about what you can do about the motto. And if you do a talk, bring the motto into your talk. That would be a lot of fun. So for this time, I'd say bring on the dragons. Next year, who knows what it will be. So we're trying here to set up the video. Did you connect it, actually? I think it works. Yes. Oh, yes. Whoops.
Yes.
Never use better software.
You're not ready for it yet? Well, can I do a quick lightning talk? 30
Can
seconds?
you? No? Okay.
Maybe.
Maybe
I can.
for lightning talk.
Okay, thank you. Well, if there's some time left anyway. Okay, a few weeks ago, some of the government members came together in Copenhagen. They wanted to change something about the climate in the world. They don't want us to have the temperature raise more than 2 degrees, and they want to spend billions of money to countries in development. Well, of course, very noble of them, but none of them will do anything. Because still, there are 2 islands of plastics, one in the Pacific Ocean and one in the Atlantic Ocean, 77 times the size of Texas. So that's a pretty big state. Well, what I thought is we can do it a lot better than the governments can, because spending 100 billion on developing countries and saying, okay, we don't want the temperature to rise more than 2 degrees, that's not going to do anything. I think you've got a lot better ideas. So I'm going to offer the Sustainable Toolkit to all governments, and if you have any suggestions, please contact me. My name is... So have some content. It doesn't matter if it's how to use less energy with your computer, or maybe 3D printing. That's of course something which reduces garbage. And you can think of a whole tons of other things. How to treat people better, how you can have more freedom. That's all part of sustainability, how to create a better world. And we all want to put that in a Sustainable Toolkit. So it's not online yet, but I can make it happen within, well, let's say beginning of January, www.sustainabletoolkit.com, and go over there and post your idea. And it will be on, I think, January 1st.